Jai Hind everyone. I hope you all are safe and healthy. So our today's topic is get lean with positive affirmations. So without any delay, let's start. So before starting my workout, I usually do marma to my body. So what is it marma? Marma is an activity or you can call a spiritual activity in which I touch my every part of my body to wake them up, to prepare them for the task which I'm going to do. Like I'll show you what is it. So I usually start with my hands. Start. And you have to do the same. And with a smile. Wait. Now inner part. Now shoulder. And say good things about yourself in between that. You are a great man. I'm wise. I am love. I love my body. Now start with the neck. Do it gently. Now come with the chest. Your armpit. Now your lower body. Do it with compassion. It is like the activity in which you explore your body. You explore the every part of your body. Oh. Now this is your back. So our next step is, so before starting the actual workout, I want you to do all the workout with love and compassion. Say good things about yourself. Say that you're good. Talk about your achievements. Talk about your success. Talk good things about yourself, and then start. I first pick up these two plates. If you don't have these two plates, then you can pick up anything which have weights. Okay, so I'll do it with like that. And do it until you feel the pain. Wait. Do it with a smile. This workout is only for those who don't want to go to gym. And for the every person who want to explore their body, you can do this too also. Great man, I am wise. I know I am great. Now I can start feeling the pain. Great man. This is the way you can explore your body fully. I think it is the effortless exercise you can do with yourself. Ah, now I can feel the pain in my shoulders. So now the second step is with the shoulder shrugs. You can just move it like that. Oh man, forward. The main thing is you don't repeat negative thing. You only have to do positive thing. Say positive things about yourself. Talk about your achievements. I'm great. I know I'm good. I love myself. I attract love. The purpose is only that you have to explore your body. You don't have to just no. Okay. So now move to the next step. I pick up these two dumbbells. You can pick up anything like eat, or you can pick up like your bag, anything which have weights. Okay. So what can I do is what will I do is I just dance with my dumbbells. Do it with compassion. Don't don't pick up too much weight. Like, enjoy. Yeah, your core is active more in that exercise. In that exercise you learn balanced. Yeah. Yeah, it is like the whole workout, all body workout. Now slowly you can feel the pain in your forearms and your biceps too. Yeah, man. And talk about your success and achievements. Say good things about yourself. Yeah, I'm good, man. I'm love. I know I can do this. This is not a joke. This is not a joke. You can do this, and I can guarantee you can feel the pain in your shoulders and on your forearms. Do it until you feel the pain. Now just do some biceps. If you don't have dumbbells, you can pick up anything which have weights. Like, you can put weights on your back and then just lift them. But the purpose of this video is to explore your body. You can do this at your home. Don't excuse yourself that you can't go to gym. You can do anything in your home. So now I just do my hammer curls. I do it like this. Now I'm good, man. I know why I can do this. So this is that. Okay. Now you can, like, move. Wait. You can do also this. Ah, I'm loving it, man. I know I can get lean. I know I can have healthy fat. I'm healthy. I'm successful. I can achieve more. Yes. Now shoulders. So there are many things like that. So you can pick up this routine as your morning routine, and believe me, you can have a good results without effort. Like, you don't have to just gym jana hai. No, you can do all of these things at your home, at your comfort place. But the purpose is you have to move your body at least for just 10 minutes in a day. Okay. So I hope you like this video. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have any queries and any comment or any question, then you can let me know in the comment section. Thank you very much. Be safe and healthy. Jai Hind.